Good morning students, welcome to the St. Thomas School. Today we are going to learn about Standard 3 English Grammar. In the previous video we completed our story The Mongoose and the Farmer's Wife. So today we are going to continue with the exercise. Okay, so let's start. Exercise A. Answer the following question. First one. Why did the farmer's wife want a pet animal? With what will be the answer, students? You can see here, students. Farmer's wife wanted to a pet animal to protect the child, which would also be a companion to the child. Okay. So what will be the correct answer, students? Answer will be the farmer's wife wanted a pet animal to protect the child, which would also be a companion to the friend. Okay. Now second one. Why did the farmer and his wife leave the child and the mongoose at home? You can see here, students. The farmer thought that the mongoose would take care of the child while they were away. Okay. So what will be the answer, students? The farmer and his wife left the child and the mongoose at home because they thought the mongoose would take care of the child while they were away. Okay. What did she find on returning home? You can see a student. On returning home, found that the mouth of the mongoose was stained with blood. Okay. So answer will be, on returning home, the farmer's wife found that the mouth of the mongoose was stained with blood. Why did she hit the mongoose? You can see. She immediately thought that the mongoose had killed the child. Okay. So answer will be, she hit the mongoose because she thought the mongoose had killed the child. Now the fifth one. What mistake had the farmer's wife made? Answer will be, the mistake the farmer's wife made was that she killed the mongoose without realizing that it had saved the life of her son. Okay. Now the second exercise. Find and write word from the passage that mean the same as. So what you have to do in this exercise, students? You have to find the similar word from the passage. A friend. You can see here, students. Companion. Companion means friend. Okay. So answer will be companion. We have to write here companion. Okay. Now the next. Argue about something. You can see here, students. Debated. Debated means argue about something. Okay. Bring up and care for. You can see a student. Rearing. Rear means bring up and care for. Okay. Hurried or quick. can see a student. She then rushed inside to see what happened. Okay. So rushed means hurried or quick. Now the next exercise. Make a sentence each with the word you wrote. Which word you wrote here? Which word we have to write here? Companion. A friend means companion. Argue about something means debated. Bring up and care for means read. And hurried or quick means rushed. Okay. So we have to use these words in the sentence. Okay. Make a sentence each with the word you wrote. First one. A dog is a faithful companion. Okay. So we use companion in this sentence. Now the second one. Education is the current focus in the debate. Okay. So debate is used in the second sentence. Okay. So rest of two you have to do as your homework. Okay. I'll send you the PDF file of these answers. Okay students. Thank you.